Alright, you guys, so I'll be attempting to do something a wee bit different than I would usually do, and I'm going to insert what this here looks like in the pack. So I mean, I love the packaging that UNice gives you. I love this is a card. They gave me this weird looking tree thing. It says especially for you. To be honest, it's kind of weird, but I won't judge nobody. Next thing I said, them customer, I'm a day disrespect them culture. So I made the wig, and as you guys see, it is a frontal. So this is what it looks like. I've done absolutely nothing to this lace at all. I mean, pressed up against my skin, it looks like it's lace, you know. Doesn't look as disappearingly. So I'm actually going to, let's start by kind of gluing this down to my head. Oh lordy, lordy. Woo. Go ahead and just kind of, oh, I don't have to. I don't have to. Alright, so I'm going to leave this as is, like this. I have some my foundation brush. You see, this is dark, so this would work way better if it was lighter, you know. Let me cut off like this excess right here. Alright, so now let's move on to the actual frontal. So I'm going to do is take my foundation, and I'm taking it on this brush. I was going to use a beauty blender, but I changed my mind, and I'm going to lay the foundation onto the lace. Now I've done this before, but I've never done this with this technique, you know. So I want to try gluing it down. I want to try like the flip over, you know, see if it works. Like, I want to see if this can be a beautiful option for me rather than actually coloring the lace or bleaching the knots, because it's just a long process for me to bleach the knots. So I'm looking to see if this can be an easier, and I believe I have done this before on my channel, but I don't know if I've ever done it like this before on my channel. So that's what that looks like. This is what this looks like. So let's just put the wig on. So the wig looks like this. I made it. This is what the hair looks like. Deep wave. I'm in love with deep waves now, as you guys know. Put this on, and yeah, let's see if I can make this work. Alright, so let me zoom you guys into what's going on here, so you can actually see that it's not quite melted, and this is lifting, so it's not quite melted. So I'm actually going to go in with the Got To Be spray and kind of melt it in, you know. This wig, it came pre-plucked. The frontal came pre-plucked. So I'm doing this as someone who have no idea what to do with a frontal. I don't know how to finesse it. I just want it to work for me. I like the look of frontals, but I don't know how to finesse a frontal. I'm doing this for y'all, for us. I'm doing this for us, baby. So hopefully this works, and if it does, then all you're really going to need is just stocking cap and Got To Be, if it does work. So remember, I did not pluck this. Oh Lord, see, this is broken, but I did not pluck this at all, honey. No plucking. I just finger combing it, you know. So I feel like this is a safer method, and it elongates the longevity. It lets your frontal last longer because you don't have the added step of bleach to be worrying about, which I don't think we even care our frontals after we've bleached it, you know. So yeah, but this UNice hair though, this deep wave, ooh baby, ooh baby, I love deep wave. Yes, I'm just finger combing it, making it bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger. Girl, this is nice. This is nice. Let me see if I can kind of like pull this. Yeah. This is nice, guys. This is all the hair pulled to the front. Let me zoom out some more for you. Alright, so I zoomed out a little bit. All the hair pulled to the front. I like it. You guys know I'm in love with deep wave, but I like this. I like this. And it's just so much easier. I just use your foundation because it matches your skin. You get us. I think the stocking cap I used was a little bit too dark, so I would definitely use a lighter stocking cap and then put my foundation over it, you know. Let me see if I can part this with my fingernail. Yeah, I am not mad at this at all. So I'm finger combing it, and obviously I'm getting some shedding because I made the wig. Not sure I can see, but this is like shedding. Can you see that? Can you? Yeah, there we go. Some shedding for you guys. But yeah, so this is it. Yeah, and it's I mean, I'm not going to tug on it, but it's fairly secure. You know, it's fairly secure. It's fairly secure. Yes, ma'am. UNice. Hey, oh, UNice. Oh, but you dating. Honey, you was on Zizette. Is this the first time I'm working with UNice? I think this is my very first time working with UNice, and I'm pleasantly surprised. I keep telling you guys, whenever you are just hearing of a company or you're not sure, go with a curly hair. Go with deep curly. Deep curly. Deep curly. You will never go wrong with a deep curly hair. Ever in life will you go wrong with deep curly. Yes, girl. Blood cleanse. So this is nice, you guys. It makes me happy. Anyway, so this is it for this video. I don't want to waste any more time. This is it for this video, guys. UNice hair, thank you so much for sending me this to review. Yes, honey. Now if I get to work with them again, what I will be trying is their body wave, if I get to work with them again, so you guys can see another texture from them. I feel like with deep curly hair and straight hair, you're safe. It's gonna get into kinky curly, body wave, and all those stuff. Like, will it hold a curl? Will it stay straight? Is it gonna be silky? You know, what it do, you know. So this is it for this video, guys. UNice, mwah, thank you, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video.